Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to do a tutorial on press on nails, honey. We're going to do the long nails. What we're doing is we're going to file our nails down. Okay, give it a little file. Make sure the nails will be able to stick on to the press-ons. So that's what we're doing here. I'm going to give it some time so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. This is crazy. Okay guys, it looked like we are all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.